Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dian Rahayu, student register number 2103011020 from the Department of Sharia Economics. Here, I will present my PowerPoint for English achievement. Definition of Mudarobah. A mudarobah is an investment partnership whereby the investor the Rabul Mal provides capital to another party entrepreneur the mudarib in order to undertake a business investment activity. While profits are shared on pre-agreed ratio. Cost of investment is borne by the investor only. The mudarib lost its share of the expected income. Type of mudarobah. There are two types of mudarobah namely. Number 1, al-mudarobah al-muqayyadah. Rabaul mal may specify a particular business or a particular place for the mudarib, in which case he shall invest the money in that particular business or place. This is called al-mudarobah al-muqayyadah, restricted mudarobah. Number 2, al-mudarobah al-mutlaqah. However, if rabaul mal gives full freedom to mudarib to undertake whatever business he deems fit, this is called al-mudarobah al-mutlaqah, unrestricted mudarobah. However, mudarib cannot, without the consent of rabaul mal, lend money to anyone. Mudarib is authorized to do anything, which is normally done in the courses of business. However, if they want to have an extraordinary work, which is beyond the normal routine of the traders, he cannot do so without express permission from Rabaul Mal. Rules of Mudarobah. Number 1, capital. From much be liquid or other kind of assets and source be both benefit and specific. If fixed assets are being contributes, so the value of this that shall be agreed. Number 2, management. Rabaul Mal does not have right to take a part in management of specific project. Number 3, settlement. Every partner has a right to terminate the mudarobah at any time after giving his partner a notice to this effect, whereby the mudarobah will come to an end. In this case, if the assets of the mudarobah are in cash form, all of them will be disputed between the partners. But if the assets are not liquidated, the partners may agree either on the liquidation of the assets or on their distribution or partition between the partners as they are. Number 4, profit and loss. Profits shall be distributed in the proportion mutually agreed in the contract, determined as percentage of profit and not a fixed sum of the money or percentage of capital invested. Mudarib cannot claim any prudential payment during a project life if one or more partners choose to become non-working or silent partners. The ratio of their profit cannot exceed the ratio which their capital investment were so the total capital investment in mudharabah, those who invested capital. Number 5. Security. The case of mudharabah, agreement between bank and client, the bank can obtain adequate security from client against negligence or misconduct. Terms of mudharabah. The term refers to a form of business contract in which one party brings capital and the other personal effort. The proprietor's net share in profit is determined by mutual agreement, but the loss, if any, is borne only by the owner of the capital, in which case the entrepreneur gets nothing for his labor. The financier is known as Rabal Mal and the entrepreneur as Mudarib, as a financing technique adopted by Islamic bank. It is a contract in which all the capital is provided by the Islamic bank, while the business is managed by the owner party. Example of mudharabah. In a mudharabah contract, the entrepreneur cannot, when the investor's capital or profit since all parties share in the risks. For example, if the agreement states that the profit sharing ratio is 50-50 between the investor and entrepreneur, each party will receive an equal amount of generated profits at the end. That's my presentation. I say thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.